Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious 3-ingredient Oreo truffles. It's a super simple recipe perfect for any occasion. You'll only need 1 package of your favorite Oreo cookies, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1 bag of melting chocolate. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature for the best results. Let's get started on this sweet treat. First, take your entire package of Oreo cookies and crush them into fine crumbs. A food processor works wonderfully, or you can use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. Remember to set aside about 2 tablespoons of these crumbs for decorating later. Then, in a large bowl, combine the remaining cookie crumbs with your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Mix until well combined. Now it's time to form your truffles. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into uniform balls, roughly 1 inch in diameter. Place these perfectly round treats onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Once all your truffles are rolled, pop them into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial to help them firm up before dipping. Finally, let's add the delicious chocolate coating. Melt 1 bag of your favorite melting chocolate according to the package instructions. Carefully dip each chilled truffle into the warm, melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully covered. Before the chocolate sets, sprinkle some of those reserved cookie crumbs on top for a beautiful finish. Let them set completely, and then enjoy your amazing homemade Oreo truffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.